Welcome to DelftStack. Is your computer sounding like a jet engine every time you open Microsoft Edge? High CPU usage is a common headache, but it's usually caused by a few specific settings or a rough tab. Let's cool things down. First, let's identify the culprit. Inside Edge, press Shift plus Escape. This opens the browser's internal task manager. Look at the CPU column. If a specific tab or extension is hogging all the power, select it and hit End Process. This stops the drain without crashing the whole browser. Next, we need to adjust your system settings. Click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, and then select System and Performance. Look for Startup Boost and toggle it off. This prevents Edge from running heavy processes in the background even when the window is closed. If the usage is still high, try disabling hardware acceleration in that same menu. While it's meant to help, graphics drivers can sometimes cause it to glitch and spike your processor usage instead of lowering it. Finally, clear your cache. Overloaded temporary files can make the browser work twice as hard to render pages. Go to Privacy, Search and Services. Click Choose what to clear and wipe your cached images and files. Restart your browser after these changes, and you should see a significant drop in those CPU percentages and a much quieter computer. If this video helped out, give it a like and subscribe to DelftStack. See you in the next one.